Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Limbus Company game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So let's jump to the fixes. So the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Limbus Company game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Limbus Company game folder. Select this Limbus Company exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference select high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX12, -DX11 or -D3D11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Limbus Company, select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX12 first, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties and this time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Limbus Company, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Limbus Company exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down once again select Windows 8 and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Limbus Company, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6, disable integrated graphics card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Then expand the display adapters. Here it is, expand it. And this is the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and then click yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, just launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then enable this device. Fix 7 is to disable G-Sync. Now if your monitor supports G-Sync, then turn it off and then check. If it is already disabled, then turn it on and then check. Fix 8 is to update your graphics card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via the NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphics card via AMD Adrenal software. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab and here you will see the check for updates icon. Click on this. This will check for updates, and if there are any updates available for your graphic card driver, you will see the download button. So click on download and install the latest updates. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So simply disable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You will find this in displays, graphics, advanced graphics settings and turn it off. So open Windows settings On the left, click on System, then click on Display, scroll down, and under the related settings you will see the graphics option. Click on this, then expand the advanced graphics settings, and here you will see the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So again, open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Limbus Company game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Limbus Company game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.